Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about carpet, padding, and cushion. Let's first start with the terms. So first off, acoustic qualities. The way in which airborne sound, impact noise, and surface noise are affected. Airborne sound, the noise that radiates directly from machines, voices, and radios and other sources. Bonded urethane foam, rebonded a light cushion, which can provide a degree of firmness depending on the resiliency achieved in manufacturing. It may be used in heavy, medium, or lightweight traffic. Cushion produced by grinding flexible polyurethane foam into small particles and binding them together with chemical adhesives. Carpet Cushion Council, also known as CCC, founded in 1976, the Carpet Cushion Council provides carpet cushion manufacturers, distributors, dealers, and installers with information that helps them understand and sell and install separate carpet cushion. Compression load deflection, also known as CLD, the amount of force in PSI required to achieve 25%, 65%, or 75% compression of a square sample of the cushion. A compression-resistant measurement where the entire sample is compressed using a large pressure footer. Compression resistance, the measurement of the rubber cushion's load-bearing characteristics. This indicates the product's response to immediate loading, such as the experience when it is stepped upon. Density, a measure of the amount of material in a cushion. Higher density equals higher performance. High traffic areas generally require higher density cushions. Density is measured using the ASTM D3574-95 test, which indicates the units of pounds per cubic foot. Gauge refers to the needle in which the machine uses in making knits or tufted fabrics. It denotes the closeness of the pile rows in tufted or knitted fabrics as measured across from the width of the carpet. For example, 1/8 inch means the pile row are 1/8 inch apart the entire width of the carpet. The higher the number, the closest the pile tufts are to each other width-wise. Felt pad is a natural, firm, dense pad made for the use in heavy, moderate, and light traffic areas. There's 3 different types. The first one is hair felt, which is made of 100% hair, usually cow. 2, combination felt, which is animal hair and which is combined with other fibers. 3, rubberized felt, a rubber-coated felt. Foam rubber, a spongy rubber with a fine texture made from latex whipping. High resilience foam, HR foam with a special additional ingredients that change the cell structure, the shape of the cell, giving a much higher resilience. Impact insulation class, IIC, a single number of ratings of the floor/ceiling impact sound performance, indicates how well a material prevents the transmission of an impact noise through the floor to the room below. The impact noise, the result of an object having impact on the structure surface of the building, such as footsteps on the floor above or the furniture being dragged across the floor. Impact noise reduction, also known as INR, the impact insulation class, IIC, indicates how well the material prevents the transmission of the impact noise through the floor to the room below. Indentation force deflection, IFD, the force of number of pounds required to compress a 4 by 15 inch piece of foam using a 50 square inch circular indenter. Noise reduction coefficient, also known as NRC, way in which control or airborne sound and surface noises are measured. Rebond, the most popular type of carpet padding sold today, is made from high-density scraps, furniture and automotive manufacturing of urethane foam. Resilience, the ability for a carpet to retain its original shape after being exposed to weight and other crushing factors. Sponge rubber. There's two types, flat sponge, which is smooth, and rib sponge, which is waffled. Surface noise, noise of cushion expressed in ounces per square yard. Thickness, the overall thickness of a cushion is expressed in fraction of an inch or their decimal equivalent, measured using a standardized specific test, which is ASTM D3574-95 in unit inches. Last but not least, weight. The weight of the cushion is the weight of the cushion expressed in ounces per yard. We'll be back in just a moment with the next slide.